Step one, you're gonna need to get yourself a Surron. A super sick speaker. I didn't think it was gonna be that loud, and then I turned it on. I was like, oh my gosh. Notice the detail, orange on the brim right there, orange in the charger plug. Got the blue to match the bike, and this is how to add a speaker to your Surron. And they last for a while. What you're gonna need is just the speaker. I'll put all the links in the description, and then some zip ties. Unless you wanna screw it on, but I don't really think you need to do that. So make sure it's not gonna move. The best place to go is right in there. If you don't have a front protector, you can still just put it in there. But I think the front protector is the best because then it won't wiggle around. And then just zip tie this dude to the top so that way it doesn't fall out. We got him wedged right in there. I can turn it on and off from the bottom. You just reach up in the front, left button, turns it off, and then you just leave the charger plug plugged into there, plugged into the actual device, and your bike should have a little USB thing. Just leave it there forever. You can turn all the way without having to rip your thing out. All right, let's see how loud this is. Upbeat vlog. You have the shield here, and the speakers face this way. It's kind of like amplifying back at you too, which is kind of sick. The easiest mods you can do. Some zip ties and a jubal.